Jai Hind everyone, welcome to Ramashish.Guruji channel. And I hope yesterday's which I gave you the vocabs you would have learnt it. The words were deceptive, skullduggery, maim, prune, and stifle. These were the 5 words given yesterday with the pics and very good explanation. If you have not, just go back and check it out in this playlist of vocab and learn the first vocab part of 5 words. Okay, so moving to the second vocab today. And okay, what's the pick? It is fast. OD. OD poranga, correct dana? ரொம்ப fast inga OD poranga, he is running. So what is the word today? Expedite. Expedite. And what is the meaning? Accelerate or to fast, isn't it? So quicken or hasten. How to remember? How to remember? See, what you will do when you will see your ex boyfriend or ex girlfriend, and when you are there with your new girlfriend or new boyfriend, odidana pono, correct dana? So run very fast when you see your ex boyfriend or ex girlfriend. Okay, so expedite is the word. And definitely antonym is not big thing, delay and retarded, isn't it? Fine. How to remember delay and retarded? Till the X was not X, isn't it? You all were waiting for that. Okay, fine. So expedite is quicken, hasten, and antonym will be delay and retarded. Next word. Oh, oh. She looks what? ரொம்ப டீசென்ஸாக இருக்காங்களா, கரெக்ட் தானா? வணக்கம், நமஸ்தே, isn't it? So she looks very good, isn't it? She looks very good and very obedient also, very decent also. So என்ன word இருக்கும்? Deference. Deference is different from difference, isn't it? This is different word. Okay, so deference meaning is it is given a readiness or willingness to yield to the wishes of others. Means what? ரொம்ப respect மாதிரி இருப்பாங்களா, very respectful kind of, like wherever he will go or she will go, vanakkam, namaste, good morning, good evening, they will be telling. Means very obedient person, isn't it? What will the antonym for it then? Antipathy. Anti means against, pathy means he is not putting sympathy with you, and enmity உங்கள மேல காண்ட் வச்சுக்கறாங்களா, கரெக்ட் தானா? So this will be the antonym for it. Fine. So just by figure you can remember. Third word. Oh, what it is? Jail. Jail. Yeah. Our final goal is what? Jail, isn't it? Gaol. What is gaol? Is meaning is for the confinement of people accused or convicted for a crime. That is jail. So gaol synonym is what? Jail. Okay. One word is written incarcerate. Very important word. How to remember? Incarcerate means what? Car ulle potuttu, in car they have put in, and they have burned a cigarette in that. Okay, and they have closed it. Now you will die in the jail, isn't it? So incarcerate you can remember like that. Moreover, how you remember the goal? What is our main goal? Our main goal is jail only, isn't it? Illiya, by you will get married, you will get job, you will become officer, and your life will be like jail. No freedom, you cannot go anywhere, you cannot be of your own way, isn't it? You have to walk according to your family. So goal is goal, like that you can remember. Okay, and what will be this antonym? Free or outside. Okay, means you are free to go anywhere. Okay, third word. What this ant is doing? Very hard work, isn't it? Very hard work. So word is arduous. Arduous. Okay, arduous. So arduous meaning is hard. Hard. Okay, like that. Hard. So arduous meaning is requiring considerable physical or mental effort. எனக்கு மேத்ஸ் கிளாஸ் எப்படி இருக்கும்? How will be my maths classes? You need your mental effort. Considerable means ரொம்ப அதிகமா உங்களுக்கு mental effort வேணும். So very much of mental effort is required. Fine. So arduous meaning will be requiring considerable physical or mental effort. And what is the meaning? Again, laborious, isn't it? So what tiresome? Yeah, tiresome is also a good word. Okay, tire means tired aicha. So arduous meaning will be tiresome, laborious, or requiring considerable physical or mental effort. What will the antonym for that? Achievable or clear. Means what is easy, that only will be achievable, isn't it? So clear or achievable will be the antonyms. Fine. Oh, என்ன அது? Bull, பசுமாடு, correct. and written what? The Brazen bull. Brazen means what? Bulls are always very bold, isn't it? Bulls are always very bold. So yeah, that's the meaning. The Brazen meaning is you are very bold, isn't it? But in rude manner, okay? But in rude manner, you show your boldness, displaying or marked by rude boldness. Fine. So on the bull pathana and the marirka. So Brazen bull, okay? Brazen bull, like that you can remember. Fine. Insolent also is the word for Brazen. What will the antonym? Modest, gentle, isn't it? Very easy person, cool and calm person. That will be the antonym of the Brazen. Okay. Thank you, Jai Hind. And kindly subscribe the Ramashish.Guruji channel and click the bell icon to get notification for the new video.